In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block Safari. First, you will want to open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Look for the gear icon, which is typically found on your home screen. This step is crucial because the Settings app is where you can control all the functionalities of your device. Once you tap on the Settings icon, you will see a list of options. This is your control center for managing features and privacy settings. Take your time to locate the app, as it is essential for the next steps. Next, tap on Screen Time. This option is usually listed towards the top of the settings menu. By selecting Screen Time, you can monitor and manage how your device is used. This feature is beneficial not just for blocking apps, but also for tracking usage patterns. After you select Screen Time, you will see various options that allow you to set limits and restrictions. This is important because it provides you with a comprehensive view of how the device is being utilized. Now tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions and turn it on. This setting is a key part of managing your device's security and app restrictions. When you enable this feature, you will gain access to further options to restrict content and apps. You may see a prompt to enter your screen time passcode if you have set one up. This extra layer of security is crucial as it prevents unauthorized changes to your settings. Once you turn it on, you will notice a change on your screen indicating that these restrictions are active. From there, tap on Allowed Apps and Features, or Allowed Apps if you are using an older version of iOS. This section allows you to determine which apps can be used on your device. It's an effective way to control access to specific applications. Once you are in this menu, you will see a list of apps that you can restrict. This gives you the power to customize what is available to users on your device. Remember, this is particularly useful for parents wanting to limit their children's access to certain apps. Next up, turn Safari off. You will see a toggle switch next to Safari. When you tap the switch, it will change from green to gray, indicating that Safari is now turned off. This action is essential for preventing access to the Safari web browser. Once you do this, the Safari app will be hidden from the home screen and will not be accessible until you decide to re-enable it. This provides immediate control over web browsing capabilities on the device. Finally, consider setting a screen time passcode to prevent others from changing these restrictions. This is a critical step because it ensures that only you can modify the settings you have just established. Without this passcode, someone else could easily change the restrictions you have put in place. To set this up, navigate back to the Screen Time menu and select Use Screen Time Passcode. Enter a secure passcode that you will remember but others won't easily guess. This adds a layer of security to your device, giving you peace of mind that your settings remain intact. With these steps completed, you have successfully blocked Safari on your device. Your settings will ensure that the app remains hidden and unavailable until you decide to re-enable it. By following these instructions, you have taken an important step in managing app access on your iPhone or iPad effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.